I'm at Harajuku right now, and I'm about to explore Tokyo's like very interesting, exotic, and wild fashion scene. So it's going to be really interesting to see the clothing here, the things they sell are out of this world. So let's go check out Harajuku. So I tried walking to a few stores, but very difficult to film because they don't allow photography inside stores. I've been told 2 times already to put my camera away, so it's gonna be hard to get some footage in here. But the last shop I went into, it's like a streetwear clothing. I didn't really like it, and I walked out really quick. The problem is, everywhere you're walking around to check out the clothing, people are just constantly following you, and it just made me feel really uncomfortable. Like you just get that feeling inside that you just have to leave here. But the clothing out here is just out of this world, insane. It's very artistic, creative. I think from you know, being in Japan a few times, I kind of noticed Japan is very gray. Like their buildings are gray, the grounds are very gray. But when you step into Harajuku, it's totally different. Like there are so many vibrant colors here. Basically, colors of the rainbow. So very interesting, very vibrant, and that's what I like. The colors just really pop. They have an owl cafe and a dog cafe. I think I'm gonna check out the dog cafe. The owls kind of freak me out. I noticed about Japanese dogs in general while living here for a few months, they are absolutely so quiet. Like these dogs here do not bark at all, and they just have such a calm attitude to them, so it's pretty nice. But half of them are asleep. We have like 6 dogs, 3 of them are asleep, actually about 6 dogs are about to fall asleep, so they're pretty tired. Really cute. It's okay. So Mami Shiba Cafe, just left that for about 780 yen. You get to sit and play with the dogs for about 13 minutes, and you also get a free drink. I definitely recommend this place because from other dog cafes I've been to, they allow you to smoke, and that's just very bad for the dog's health. But here the dogs are really well kept, they're clean, they're well fed, and you can tell that they take really good care of them. Wow, this is such a cool building. I think it's just made out of glass. This is my first burrito in 3 months, and I'm so excited. Yum! This thing is delicious. It has like pico de gallo inside, guacamole, cilantro and lime rice, and spicy chicken. Oh man. Yeah, this feels really good. What a day, what a day. So just at home, just relaxing now, and I am very exhausted. It's always an exhilarating day in Tokyo. There's so much to see, so much to do, and so much to learn. But unfortunately, I am so tired at the moment. This is key. So they say the day you go travel and you're at the airport, it's like the most stressful thing that has ever happened. I disagree with that. Well, I disagree in Japan. In Japan, everything's smooth sailing. The people from the check-in counter, the security guards, even the immigration officer, they're all like happy and they're friendly and just all smiles. And it just makes the trip very comforting and just relaxing. So that's why I love Japan, because customer service is like on top. Now it's going to be a 6-hour plane ride to Kuala Lumpur, then I have a 1-hour layover, and then we head to Bangkok. Probably not going to do much, going to be tired because traveling is very exhausting. 6 hours is not that much, but total time is like 8 hours to fly to the final destination. But I am so excited to eat good Thai food, drink good beer, and relax. And I cannot wait to see Brenda, so I'll see you in like 15 hours, I would say. So let's head to Bangkok. Quick video. So I met Yusrina. Hello, say hi.
Hi.
I met Henry and Daniel, and they are from Malaysia. I said video. So Yusrina is such a sweet person. I met I met her on the airplane, and we had really good conversations, very intellectual and deep conversations. And she's a very sweet woman. I learned so much about Malaysia, so much about perspectives, you know, from her side. And just a really remarkable experience, and one that I will never forget. And these two here are coming back from Tokyo, and they're going back to school tomorrow, and they're about to go to university in about a year. So good luck to you guys. It will be on my YouTube page, so check it out for sure. So it's a wonderful trip, and now gotta run to the next term to head to Bangkok. So let's hope I make it. Alright, peace out. So after landing in Malaysia, the first thing I smell once I get off the airplane is durian. And durian is like that custard fruit. And it's probably the smelliest fruit in the world. A lot of people hate that smell, but I am just in love with it since I grew up with Chinese grandparents, and my whole family basically eats the durian, so I just love it. So what a welcoming experience in Malaysia. And I'm supposed to board like at 4:45, and the plane departs at 5:45, so just an hour later, but I don't think it's enough time to get to one gate to another. I did get here, but it wasn't comfortable. My heart was just like racing the whole time, but thank God I'm here and about to board, and we're going to Bangkok. Alright guys, this is probably the craziest experience in Thailand. I haven't been here for even like 10 minutes. So there was this guy from the United States. He's an elderly gentleman. He was drunk and he was causing a scene, and I was trying to get my currency exchange done, and he just walked up to the counter and just started swearing at the ladies like while she's like dealing like currency, and it was just so disrespectful, and I had to tell him to go away. And then like the Bangkok police was just right behind me and came up and just, you know, made him like just leave the airport. So they didn't arrest him or anything, but it was totally hectic. That better be in my bag. I've been looking everywhere for it. It is my bag. Oh my god. I knew this was gonna happen. Every time you come to Southeast Asia, it's extremely hot, but there's a lot of humidity. You can just feel it right now. I feel like I'm gonna have sweat coming down my back. But I'm trying to find my taxi driver right now. Don't know what he looks like. Hopefully he can spot me out. Hi, how are you? Sorry about the wait. I apologize about the wait. The immigration and my flight was late. And thank you. Well, this is really nice. Let me give you guys a tour. So over here we have the little kitchen area. It comes with a nice microwave, a little sink, a wash machine right down below so I can wash my clothes. Thank God I don't have to run to the laundromat. Usually when I stay in Thailand, I stay at a hotel, and in hotels they don't have a washing machine, so you actually take it outside to the street, and there's a couple of like shops that will wash your clothes for very like dirt cheap. But anyways, the mirror, not bad. Restroom's pretty nice. Comes fully furnished with shampoo and conditioner and body wash. All right, got a refrigerator. Is it stacked with alcohol? No, it's stacked with nothing. Of course, if you're paying $25, you really don't get alcohol.
Alright, so you got a little couch right there and a mirror, cool. Got the aircon, that's really important because it's freaking hot in Asia. Days like this can get up to 90 degrees plus like 70% humidity. It's just torture. But nice TV way to have here. Wi-Fi key because I need to edit videos and upload it. Alright, towels. And this bed is so nice. Oh, it's really comfy too. And the best part, the view. Alright, and look at that pool right there, guys. Right in the middle of Bangkok, Thailand. All that for 25 US dollars. Alright, so if you guys are ever traveling to Bangkok, Thailand, I just have some few suggestions for you guys. Before you guys land at Bangkok International Airport, BKK, you will have to fill out this card right here. This is an arrivals card, as you can see. Well, this says departure, but they took the arrivals card. Let me see if we can focus. Okay, there we go. So this is an arrival form. Basically, it will ask you where you're staying, how long you're staying in Thailand, your phone number, your email address, just personal information about yourself. Make sure you fill this out and make sure you get one of these forms on the airplane, because once you land in Bangkok, the international airport is not well organized and it's very chaotic. It can be kind of hard to find these slips because like they're nowhere to be found, and when you go to one person and ask them, hey, I need the slip, they'll point you that way, and then you get there's nothing, and then you ask somebody else, they point you another way. So make sure to fill this out. It will save you a lot of time, and you won't have any stress, because I had a lot of stress because I didn't fill it out when I get there. Aside from that, if you're traveling from the United States, when you get to the immigration, some people will tell you you have to do this application for visa on arrival. If you are a United States citizen, you do not need to fill this form. The reason why, US passport holders are exempt from filling out this form. Automatically get a visa once you walk up to the immigration officer, and what they'll give you is, let's see how many days. I got so many stamps in here, it's just ridiculous. Basically I have 7 pages full of stamps because I travel so much. So automatically stamp your passport, and you do not need to fill out this form. You just need to fill out the arrival form like I mentioned before. And I think the duration stays 30 days or 60 days, and after that you have to get out of Thailand. If you want to come back, you definitely have to, you know, visit the surrounding country and then come back to Thailand for them to give you a new visa. Aside from that, like I mentioned earlier, this is the SIM card. If you travel to Thailand, please make sure to find out if your phone, whether it's iPhone or Samsung or whatever device you have, is internationally unlocked. If it is, then you can get the SIM card in Thailand. Basically, after you walk out of the arrivals gate, toward your left or toward your right, there are a lot of shops that will sell these SIM cards, and they are absolutely cheap because Thailand is just so cheap, and that's why I love it. For a 7-day 4G data card, it's only going to cost, I think, 300 or 400 bahts. I mentioned it earlier, and that's equivalent of 10 US dollars. So for 10 US dollars, you can chat on the phone and you can use 4G internet. So it's tremendous, and you won't get this price anywhere else in Asia but in Thailand, so that's what's great about that. Oh, also one more thing, after you get out the gate, make sure you walk up to like a counter where they have like taxi information, and make sure you get like a prepaid taxi to wherever you need to go. Sometimes I've heard stories about once you walk out to the airport and you're walking on the arrival area, that there's a lot of taxi drivers that will ask you if they can give you a ride. And usually a lot of people say yes, but the thing is, in Thailand, a lot of taxis don't turn on their meter. So if you ask them to turn on the meter, a lot of times they won't do it. So it's really tough. And the easier thing to do is just go to the counters and just book a taxi already. Because honestly, it's up to go up to every single taxi and have them say no. I've had it happen to me before in like Chiang Mai. Wasn't pleasant at all. So yeah, those are key tips. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my page, and there's gonna be a lot of exciting content from Bangkok. So I'm glad you guys follow along. So have a tremendous night, and see you later from Bangkok, Thailand. All right, peace out.